After many days I got the chance to wear a three layered suit. So this is the first layer of shirt, after that is the next layer of coat, after that is blazer. और वैसे ग्रेट रेडी विथ मी वीडियोस तो बना नहीं सकता हूँ, व्यूज़ नहीं आएंगी सेंसर भी हो जाएंगी. एंड दिस इज़ आर ऑडिटोरियम which is decorated for both foundation day and reunion. You can see the decorations for reunion. The college is well decorated. I came with my mother to receive the prize, and now the souvenir was released where my name was also mentioned for getting 10 prizes. After that, I went to the OPD for once. Then I returned from the OPD because now is the moment that I was waiting for.
5 Dr. Mayok Hajra.
During my surgery gold medal, I couldn't record it, but this time I recorded it. I have got my gold medal, and here are my three gold medals in MBBS and MD. I could not complete the hat trick in MBBS. I got gold medal in biochemistry and surgery. But in the third subject, I received in dermatology during my MD. सो हम लोगों का क्या होता है ना, हम लोगों का गोल्ड मेडल एग्ज़ाम पहले हो जाता है बिफोर आवर फाइनल ईयर एग्ज़ाम्स. Every time it was that. In biochemistry it was based on the MD marks. After that, one exam was taken, those who have got more than 70% or more than 60% of the marks. But all other gold medal exams are based on semester marks, that you have to get 60% or so to be qualified in the gold medal exam. In case of dermatology, everyone was eligible and everyone gave the gold medal exam. So gold medal exam has two parts. One is the theoretical part, another is the practical part. In our practical part, there was long case, short case, and histopathology slides. In theoretical part, there was 100 marks of MCQ exam. Total marks was 300. So coming to how I am feeling now, I am not feeling that much elated कि मेरे को गोल्ड मेडल मिल गया MBBS में भी MD में भी. I am in a controlled sense at this point of time. When the result was announced, that time I was very happy, but I thought that I will announce it after getting the gold medal only. So I am announcing it now. Comparing the three gold medal exams, the most difficult I think was the biochemistry exam, because at that time I am the first generation doctor. I had no seniors to guide me. What I did was from my own. I studied Harper, I studied Lippincott, I studied some part of Leninger also, and for revision I used Rebecca James ma'am's review books. The funda to crack gold medal exam is that, one, you will have to be thorough with your theory, that you need to know the extra points, the quiz pointers. You must know the good to know points and the advanced things which are not asked in the professional exams or in the MD exam. Number second is that you should be vocationally confident and you should face the viva confidently. You will have to be spontaneous in your answers. And number three, your presentation skills should be perfect. If you want to know how to get a gold medal exam in the MBBS, then type in the comment section gold medal and I will make a video on how to get gold medal during your MBBS. Lastly, I would like to thank my parents for staying with me, my close and near and dear ones, and all of you who have supported me during my YouTube journey. I gave a lot of time in my YouTube and you guys have always supported me. So this success belongs to all of you and also the Almighty, to whom I prayed that I get the AMD gold medal also. So आज को वीडियो लंबा नहीं कर रहा हूँ. If you are new to my channel, then do consider subscribing, because I will give out contents related to MBBS professional exams and also related to NEET PG, INICT and FMG. Thank you and signing off.